We are going to kind of tag team this today, Nick and I, so I'm going to just go through the latest data that we have from May. So we got some new data on rentals from May, so I wanted to present that, and then I'll pass it over to Nick, and he's going to talk about everything. So COVID, if you're not here in San Antonio, the cases have started to spike a little bit. The whole state kind of opened up at the beginning of June, and you can see on these charts where that's kind of when things start to go up. It hasn't really, you know, just from being around the city, it doesn't seem like people are panicking or worried about it yet. But it's kind of worrisome to me because if a lot of people get sick, you know, as a property manager and landlord, I'm worried about rents in that case. But showings are still going strong, a little bit down from last week, but I really think that's because the inventory is so much lower. I don't think that indicates less buyers. They just have less houses that they get to go look at. Rental showings are still going strong. So that hasn't slowed down. Weekly home sales, again, kind of back up from the dip that was caused by the lockdown, and going strong. Prices are staying pretty consistent, rising a little bit over time. Okay, and then here's the newest data. So this is the number of units rented across the market. So this could be homes or, you know, condos or multifamily. It's just across the whole city, all types. And so you can see we're still higher than last year. Rental price is actually going up, but it's lower than it was in May of last year, which was interesting to me. We talked last week about, or maybe a month ago, about how I think that we saw a dip in prices because landlords are, you know, wanting to get somebody that's a good tenant right now. I think that overwhelmingly my owner clients are more interested in finding a tenant who can still pay if COVID gets bad than they are getting top dollar rent. So I think that they're being listed a little bit lower, but you can see we're still getting the bump as we go into the summer of higher rents. And then days on market are staying pretty consistently low as well. That's for rentals.